Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying out the Saviland Polygel. These are the glitter polygels. Oh my gosh, I have to say, I don't own any of these. These were my first 3 to ever try. They are so pretty. I was so excited to try this polygel. There's 3 different kinds, so let's try them out together. And let me know what you think. So this is the first one. It is Sparkling Girl. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I should have warmed them up a little bit, but it really wasn't that difficult to get out. I think there was a little air first, so I had to get out. So I used my brush and just pat it onto these really pretty white nail tips. Well, they're like full press-ons. I couldn't think of the word. Full press-on nails, but they're white, so I thought it would be really pretty with this polygel on top of it. I was right. Look at how pretty. Oh, so pretty. And it was pretty easy to work with too. It wasn't so stiff. It wasn't so stiff to not be able to mold into the shape or the form you need it to go into, which is nice because sometimes it can be a pain. So I cured that one, and then I wanted to do just another layer to see if it would look even better with like a second coat of it. I don't think you really need it, especially with white underneath it, but I just wanted to see how much more it would give to the look. So what do you guys think? Pretty? So pretty. Okay, so we're gonna go in with Starlight Feel, the second one. This one came out much faster, and I think there was a little air bubble, so it kind of went poof, which is okay, but I didn't need so much on there. This is so pretty. Okay, so I cured that one as well, and I also did a second layer on top of this one. Well, I'm telling you guys, these are so pretty. My nails are naked right now, and I'm totally going to use one of these on my nails because it's so pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Glaring Beauty. Check this color out. It was a little chunkier. It's a little tougher to get out, but if you warm it up a little bit, it's much easier to work with. But once it was out, easy peasy, easy to smooth on, no issues. I think this one might have been my favorite. It's so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so this is what they all look like before buffing and before top coat. Just on their own. Oh, I think that pinky might be my favorite instead. It's so pretty. So I'm trying out some new lint-free pads. See how they work. They worked pretty well, actually. I like that you get 540 pieces, that's for sure. So I'm going to just give them a quick buff to reshape them and put on some top coat so we can check out the final look. And here we are. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, so pretty. These Saviland polygels are so gorgeous and so easy to work with. I love them. I would definitely suggest you getting them, trying them out. Let me know what you think. Isn't it beautiful over that white tip? Oh, so pretty. So ready for spring. These are really cute Easter designs too. Easter nails. So let me know what you guys think, if you own these, if you've tried them before, or if you're going to. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.